Hi guys, I'm back. I'm sorry. There was a important call what I had to take, so I had to stop the stream, and we are back and we continue there where we left off. And I was creating this splash effect on the hearts. And that was the so what I'm doing, I'm creating a kind of animation sequence for the hearts whenever it's get filled up or empty or get hit. And I actually need this for the last 4. Or at least I need one of that. So that comes here. I think this have to be big. So I do this. This will be the moment when it's the biggest. Just slightly, because I want to slow down the slightly bigger than the another one. And then on the next heart, I replace that with this. And then I have a little mess with the layers. I feel like there is a problem here. So I delete this heart. I think it's got offset. I duplicated the wrong one. So that's the number 4. duplicate that. And then I will change out the heart. The order wrong again. Okay. And this one has a mask. I'm using that mask. And I don't need that one, right? Yeah, I don't need that one. I don't need this because I will just copy these ones. Sorry, I'm concentrating. I should actually narrate in the meantime. I'm trying to get this right. I'm just using the mask because it has like a kind of fun shape. So it's easier to do kind of a liquid feel to it. Six, seven. All right, okay, I think I have the last bit. And then let me just make the I want from here, it can go into that. I'm not sure actually I think it should be actually grow and then fade out also. So I will try to, okay, not fade the whole thing out, but I would like to fade this. $75. I will see. And then, hi, back, hi again. Sorry, I had a kind of emergency. And I had to restart the stream. Which is always not really nice to do because, well, it's interrupting. Yeah, I'm not sure of that fading that much there. I think the fading has to be a lot. Yeah, that's better. Okay. And then on this one, I bring it up to 75. And then the last two, I can fade a lot more. I may actually should rise it bigger and then fade out. Yeah, but I want to mask out the part under it. Okay. And then the small one that can fade. Yeah, something like that. Okay. Now I have my sequence. Let's pull it over to Unity. Okay, let me do all of them. Let me close them up so I can have easier job to actually export them. So okay, I start with the export selection only. Like so. I will show you in a sec where I'm placing it. Just let me open the right folder. Okay. So, multiplication mayhem, assets, illustrations. Let's create a new folder. All right, okay, so this is the player UI. And then within player UI, I want to have put them in separate folders. Heart. And then heart 1. Okay, cool. Now we can do quicker. We have the folders. Export. Unfortunately, I'm not using Photoshop. I stopped using. I used it for many years, but I got fed up with the subscription. It's just a continuous money grab for something what I'm not using that way that intensive. So I bought the Affinity, all set, everything, and I'm very happy with it. It's locked quicker. Somehow I can do everything. It took a little time to use to. There was some differences, but now I start to feel more and more confident with it. So, and I'm not really even using most of its. Okay, what I will do, I will create the animation one by one, so I will not export everything at the same time. I'm happy up here. I'm not sure of that. I will see what I'm doing there. I may map it differently later, but I will come back to that. I want to start to do the animations. So where were I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's export that 7. If I didn't do that yet. No, I didn't. And then you do the 8. And then let's pull that in. Okay. So, no, it's still running. I will go over the, yeah, let's save. Go over to here. I turn off. Yeah, let's first do animations. So, illustration. Player UI, heart. And then create a animation. I don't remember exactly how to do this. Heart animation. Did that pick up? No, it didn't. I know there is a way to it picks up the files, because otherwise I have to. Oh, I forgot how to do this. Create animation. moment I check. Ah. Um, okay. Uh, no. I forgot how to do this. Oh, come on. I did this many times. Sorry, guys. I need to stop some noise what I have. That should be better. The dehumidifier started. Okay, let me just try. Maybe it's have to be sprites. I think it's have to be sprite. Apply. Okay. And if I that's the one. I remembered, but it's had to be sprites. So shall I put the animator next to it? Why not? Okay, so new animation. Heart. Okay, and if I open now, I will have the oh, I can see it. 2D. So Okay, so if I doesn't seem like I can play this back. I create a new canvas code with player UI. And then I create an image. Art. Create an image. And then on the image, add the heart in, so I see where I am. Overlay. Okay. And then I move this to the top right. At the moment, probably I will have a container for it. Panel, which is then the image is there. The panel is maybe 300 by, no, I said 300. Let me 400 by 4. 400 by 100, 120. And I want the position y minus 20. Minus 20. Okay. And then I add the panel, gets a horizontal layout group. Nice. And it's center. No. Middle left. Okay. So now I with a it's really disturbing me why I cannot play this. Animation. Oh, animation clip. That's what I had to create. Not animation then. No, I did. Yeah, that's not really what I wanted. I want to delete that. So I already have the heart animation controller, which has the heart animation. But here I maybe animator. I thought I remember how to do this. Animation controller, heart. Don't need any of. Oh, I can. Wait. I may have to recreate the animation. Oh, we see. Yeah, that's kind of died there. Delete. And then take now these and then just drag. Can't drag it anymore. It's interesting when I okay, wait. But I don't have the sprite edit. Oh, maybe I don't have the 2D sprite. Okay. Let me see. I have the right components in 2D sprite. I have. I have 2D sprite. I know it's just a dragon thing. I created it earlier. So when it was single, and I could drag and then generate a animation. It's created the animation, but I'm not able to play because it says there is no model in it. But I see the heart there, and I have an animator. Oh, I did this for my 2D game. I don't remember how I did this. Oh wait, the animation clip heart animation used by the animation component image must be marked as legacy. Well, that's just a warning. I see the animation controller, I have the animation, it's here, but I can't play it. Okay, let's try this different. I will try to recreate this again. So if I get this to the side, you know what? No, I leave this here. I like the project and the button. But if I take the animation up here, no, just there. So if I take these as a sequence, it's not allowing me to drop it in. If it's multiple, is it allow me? No, and I can't have editing as well. Do I have to set something? Okay, I have to check. Right, I will. Now let me see. Okay, so set texture type, what I have. Then I select all my images again. And then I just drop them here. I create the animation heart. And I have them. Ah, okay, so this one created, I delete that, but this one created, and this has a sprite renderer and the animator. That's good. So if I go to the camera and I place this in here, I'm still not getting anything. Okay. That's fine. funnel is fine. Heart animation is here, but not visible. So if I play, is that visible if I play? No, it's not there. I see the animation plays here. And I don't see it. If I click it, it's not playing. That's frustrating. Is this the new version doing this? Or I remember I just dropped it in and I was able to look on it on the animation viewer. Now it looks like that's one thing. The naming is messed up. But I have a sprite renderer and the sprite's even changing on it, but I can't see. Maybe it's facing the wrong way or something like that. Can't even see. Where is it? No, it is there. Okay, so it's beating, even if it's not perfect, by at least seeing it. I think I have to put this on the UI element. So if I create an image and so if I create an image and then I get the sprite renderer, the animator over there, then it may will work. So I have an image, a sprite renderer, and what else? The animator. Animator, yeah. Oh, at least there is something now. Can I see now the... And I want to change the way how is it beats. It would be nice if it tell me the number of it, the name of it. I don't see it when, even if I open. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, that's 8. And then from there 1, 2, 3. So this is the next one. Then the last 3 will be easy. Every time the middle one is hard. Okay, let me see if that's better. Now we see it. I don't know why I'm not seeing it here. Some of them is not right. So this one is 1. I thought this will be like a minute to do. I really believe that. What's this? Animate. Animation controller. So I have my sequence. So 8. And then this 8. This 8. All of them is 8. Okay. Let me try to. No. 1, 3, 5, 6. Would be nice if you tell me which one is which. Eight, and that's 8. It's just tell me it's 8. One of them is in the wrong order, so I may just take them out and try to put them in again. Yeah, it's doing weird stuff. Then let me do like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1 again. No, that's better. I don't know why it's not showing up on the screen yet, but well, maybe because I have the image. This is properly going. I forgot how to do this, or on the UI. Okay, at least I will do the different animations for all of them. And then I can create the animation controller, and then I will figure out how to put it on the screen. That's really the last bit. Where is it actually? Oh, it's there, just it's super small. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's actually animates. Oh no, it is. Ah, it's there. It's just super small. So I don't need that. Okay. Figured it out. Don't need the component. I need the panel. And on the panel, some reason it's that image. I don't know. Something is weird. Something I'm doing wrong because it should not happen. It should be the right size. So maybe I redo this element. I create a new I don't know if it should be just a panel or it should have to be an image. Because panel has a background as well. Okay, that's weird. Oh, it's because it's oh no, the panel is fine. Oh yeah, it's went into its place. That was weird first. So the sprite renderer and the animation animator and then I add in the animation there and then the sprite. Sprite renderer. How I yeah. Okay, I go back when I had it and I have to check. So I have the first one, heart one there, and then the animation controller in the animator. Just some reason it's super small. The panel is right sized. It looks like this one. It's want to be a normal element, not a UI element. Am I doing something? I do something funny, I know. That's already weird. Why I can't actually see it? Why I'm not able to play? I can't add property. I cannot do anything with it. It's kind of weird. I'm doing something wrong. All right. At least I will generate the other ones, and these ones I can see when I zoom in on that. And I really don't need an image, that background. Oh, that's on the panel. I don't need that background. So that's the heart. Super small. So if I make it, does that even do anything if I make 1000? Yeah, it's not resizing it because I messed it up. This is the wrong way to do it. Canvas renderer. Draw mode, synthesized, centered, sprites default. Always animate. Yeah, I'm doing this wrong. I did so many times. It's maybe the new version, or I'm just did something silly somewhere. All right, this is a day like this. First, I had the call interrupting, and then this one, and this was a long day. I had a meeting really early, and had to travel for it, so came home very late, and then I tried to do all this. Yeah. Well, I still having fun to do this. Okay. So let me export the other ones. At least I have them all here. Exporting, that's I can do. Okay, so let's do the empty one. Export heart one empty. And then just like that, just a number. Heart 2 empty. Or maybe it's have to be heart empty 1, 2. I think otherwise maybe the animator will not pick them up in the right order. Heart 2, 3. I will fix the another number before I... Oh no. Fourth one. Sometimes I'm planning these sessions out in my head and then something happens. It's happened. It's live. So it is live. And then almost done with these. I wanted to see them animating, and that's already a big step forward. And then I will check out why this one is not really doing what I wanted to do. Okay, I have the heart, and then let's change the name, that one. One empty. And then grab them all, make them sprite, apply. Okay, and then I grab one or all. Okay, that's already created this renderer, but yeah, that just created a renderer. So if I want to have them all, then it's create an animation, and that will be heart empty. Heart empty. And then it's also created a heart empty animation controller, which I don't need because I will take this and I place it in on that one. Oh, sorry, heart empty. Of course, I just put the transition there, but so now I should be able to see it like this and then empty. Of course, that's not the right order. Okay, yes, and that's not the right animation because it's have to go all the way there and back, and it's have to be slower. Actually, oh, how quick is the beating heart? I want to see again. It's like that was kind of fine, but this one is way too quick. So heart empty. Again, I'm not sure if this is the right order or no, this one is visible, so it's easier. Easier to see. So that was the last one, right? 8. So it goes back to, huh? I can't put them in. Okay. Why? Suddenly why? Sprite selected. Come on. Okay. I should have not deleted yet the another animation controller. I'm not sure I will be able to get it back. All right, so let's, I delete that. Oh, wait, I will first remove it from here. This, yeah, okay. If I go this much back, all right, I will redo it. I can't. I delete that. I will. No, it's not allowing me. Oh, maybe because I have to make it again. Yeah, I start again. And now I pull it in. And then heart empty animation. So now, can I now add more elements? I can now. Okay. And then one is again the same. And then I want to make this longer. Oh. It allows me to play. Why? I think something was wrong when I was pulling it in first time. The another one did not allow me to do this. So if I open the heart empty. And now it's not allowing me. There was a spelling in that. Okay. Delete. Yeah, sprites, and then wait. Something about how it's got imported. It's get messed up. Heart empty. Okay, and I can play it. Can't really. Oh, because I'm on the. I'm on the element. I own this element, and I am allowed to play it. So if I go to this element, wherever it is, it's in the game world. Funnily, but I want to put it on the UI. Yeah, so first that one is too quick. There, I used to be able to grab it here and then pull it. I can't pull it anymore. All right, whatever. So that's the 8. So let's put in 7, 6, 5, 4. This used to be smoother. I don't know. It's just maybe the new version. I'm really. That looks not that good than the first one. Then in my head, I may have to add a lot more steps to that in the animation. Okay. If I click there, would be nice if I could even see there, but okay, so this one plays within 1 second, and I 1 point something second, and I want to pull them about twice. There was a tool here to pull it, or if I select them all, then I can do it. Ah, that's what I wanted. Okay, coming back. All right, let me see if it's slower, then it's better. And it's smaller, so it will be like not that good than I imagined. I think I have like double as many animation elements to it to make it smoother. Well, I will make a new animator in the end, and I put everything together. I will keep them separate now. Let's get the next one in. If I put that one, then I could have this one and then get damaged, and then that one, and then we go back to, and then it fills back up. Or I could do the fill back up. Refill. Okay, let's close them together. I will not try to put them on the UI properly today. I'm just happy if I have them animated. And then I see actually how, if that's fine. Like this one, it fills up. This one is a quick one. It's just quickly fills up. That's the idea. So I may have to do a lot more steps in between. Selection only, export, and then let's call this fill. Fill one. Fill two. I'm doing Unity for many years now, and I still forget sometimes stuff like that. In my head, like, yeah, I create an animation, put together the sequence, and then when I'm trying it, I can drag and drop it over. That's Unity. I still love you. Even when you make my life like hard like that sometimes. I'm just trying to be funny, actually. All right, okay. Now, so back to, I do like that one is splashing out. I'm not necessary when it comes down after. But I do like when it's splashing. Like up to here. I could even change the two. Okay, let's pull that in and let's see how does that look like. So take them, sprite editor, apply, and then right, and then if I play this one, these ones play. Oh, sorry. That's kind of fine. When I play this one, then it fills up. The camera is not exactly looking at it. So it will be just a few seconds, it fills up. It's beating, get damaged, and then not much on it, and then it fills up, and then beating again. That's the idea. And I don't need to touch that. I think that's kind of fine, because that should fill up quickly within a second. It's less than a second. Maybe I could slow it down a bit. Let me see. Like 1 second. The reason it's not going all the way up, because that's the next animation will be already filling up. I'm kind of okay with this. All right, let's pull in the third one, and then I want to put them together in a little sequence so I can see them. Just I was planning to have this in the UI. All right, let's focus, not complain. Okay, first one. Export, and then get it heart. Damage 1. Okay. And then the next one. Somewhere I put a lot of H and stuff behind that. I know it's misspelled. I will fix that later. Oh, okay. You probably maybe not see it because the screen not large enough for that. I may have to actually rasterize that thing because it looks like it makes the whole element a lot bigger than it should be. And that's 5. Yeah, I have to redo these. But at least I want to see how it looks like in a sequence. And then I come back and I do another round of this. Or by the time you see next time, probably it will be fixed. Yes, I have a lot of excess space while the other ones don't. I think I just have to rasterize and make sure it's deleted. So I like the beginning, but then I don't like this bit where I'm getting now. But I will come up with something better. I was doing this here on the file. And I had to be quick. Because it's different when I have a time to try out multiple things. Then let's just do a splash kind of thingy on the fly. So, and then this one is all sprites, apply, and then here, and then let's call that damage. And then I put that there, and then let's see how does that look like. Oh, it's moving. That was not intended. Yes, that's I have to clear it out because there is a size problem on it. Okay, but let's create a new animation. Animator, controller, heart all, and then the heart all should start with the heart. I need more space here. Why I can't pull the window? Come on. So I have the heart, I have the heart damage, the heart fill, and then the heart empty. So the heart should I will just play it like three times for it's just a quick test. So I will it will and then it get damaged, which is just one, and then the heart empty I grab in 3 of them as well. Probably I could just multiply it, but I'm really just want to do this quick. Okay, so in theory, if I get do I have the can I just do oh wait, let me duplicate this and put that in there, and then let's see where that I put that. So I may have to add in order. Okay, it works. I just let me turn off the others because I don't want to see those all. Okay, so definitely the damage is not really look fine, but I think that the beating is fine. This one I think I'd need a lot more elements, and the feeling up look good. The feeling up look good. Yeah, the damage, I have to work on that damage. I want to have the drops coming out. The feeling up and then goes there. Yes. The concept is fine. I have the right concept there. It's just I have to fine tune this a lot. I like how it feels up. I like when it beats. This one, I'm not sure. I will maybe put a wavy line in it instead of just going left and right. Like there is a little wavy line and I just move it. And then it fills up and then it beats again. And then, yeah, the damage one I have to work on it, and this one I have to work on. But I don't know how much is visible. I try to move on there so you can see as well. So I like how it fills up. Yes, definitely. I have to see it a couple of times to really. Yes, I do like how it fills up. Maybe I want to add more elements there. I'm kind of start to be okay, but I think I will put in a wavy line. The damage one is not. Yeah, there is issues. That one has issues. So how is it fills up? It's fine. The beating is fine. The damage part is don't look good, and this one is not really. And I have, because I have to slow that down. I need to have more elements. I like how is it beats. The damage has a issue. Yeah. Okay. All right. So back to this. So I think I want something like a wavy line. I don't really have a wavy line one. I can create something. Because this didn't work. Oh, that one worked when it fills up, but this didn't work when it just goes left and right. Either I need a lot more of them, or just okay. Let me. I can do one fix for so we can see these better. Sorry. So this one. Yeah, I have to redo this anyway. It's no point to yeah, just fine tune this one. I don't need to fine tune this one. I think it's it's better, and maybe most of them needs more elements. Because we have 60 frames per second, so at least I need double that many than I have, I think. And that was fine to have played backward, forward, and backward. Yeah. All right. I think I will finish now because it's past midnight here, and I had a really long day. But I definitely continue on this tomorrow, especially because it's quite it's actually fun to work on this. It's just there was some annoying bit there when Unity didn't want it to accept the files, but I was doing it wrong, and I will put in the UI later. That was kind of weird. Why? But at least getting there. All right. So thank you for watching, and then see you tomorrow. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe, please. It helps me so much. Bye.